This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to track an Amazon order on the Amazon website. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. Here's the Amazon website. Make sure that you're signed in and then go to Account and List and select Orders, or go to Returns and Orders. It'll take you to the same page. Find the order that you've made and then click on this button that says Track Package. Now, the reason why I'm tracking this package is because we don't have a mailroom at our house, and no one named Leroy lives at our house that's signed for it. So I may be thinking, well, what's going on here? What's going on with the package? They'll give information about the tracking ID here. And this is actually an Amazon tracking ID. So if you see this, you should see an updates link below it. Click on that. And then you can see the details of where the package is. If the package is still in transit, it may not show exactly where it is at that point. I found that during the holidays, actually, that's a particular problem because things take longer to deliver. Sometimes what they'll do is the delivery will be by UPS or USPS, and they'll provide a tracking number. And if that's the case, what you need to do is take the tracking number and copy it. So if you're on a Windows machine, you could, actually on any machine, just right-click and select copy. And then you go to the UPS or the US Postal Service website and then paste in the tracking number to see what's going on with it if Amazon doesn't show you an option to see all updates. But basically, that's how to track an item on Amazon. It's pretty easy to do using the website. If this video helped, if you could take a moment to like it and follow me, that would be great. Also, if you go to our official website, you can see many more guides we have for technology. We're trying to break down complicated technologies or make it easier for you to use them. We have all kinds of books on Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes, Microsoft Word in 30 minutes, books on LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. This is Ian, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. If it helped you out, if you could take a moment to like it and follow me, that would be great. And I shall see you next time.